What's good, y'all? It's Chloe Chantel, and we're back with another one. And in today's video, I kind of just show y'all me installing this wig a little bit, and then me styling it, which is basically just straightening it. That's all I did. I dyed it myself, and like this top part was like greenish. So I went over it with mascara because that's literally the only black thing that I have. I thought I had black powder, don't have that with me. And definitely didn't feel like taking it off my head and dyeing it again. That was a no-go. And what else? I was thinking about going to the beauty supply store to get like just a black spray dye or whatever, but the closest beauty supply store to me is like a 20-minute walk, and it's Sunday, so they close early. They already closed. Yeah, it's 5:59. So work. I just had to work with mascara, and I mean it did its job for the most part. I've been wanting to try like a two-sided color for a very long time, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Actually, I kind of wish I would have did this side this color and this side black, but it's okay. But yeah, that's basically just what I show y'all in this video, me installing the wig and me styling it. I didn't really show me dyeing it, but I did. I used the watercolor method, and part of the reason it was kind of greenish is because I didn't really have that much black dye. It wasn't even half a bottle. It was like less than half a bottle left. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. And y'all, please leave me video suggestions in the comments because I don't be knowing what to film, and I would just like to know like what you guys would like to see from me so that I can film it for y'all. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. I usually use a light color. Sorry if my eyes look crazy. I usually use a light brown wig cap, but this is the only one that I have at the moment, so it's just gonna have to do. I need scissors. I spray a layer of this like 2-3 times just to be sure that it's like really secure. I just put makeup on the cap to make it a little lighter, so I'm just getting the excess off with this Q-tip with alcohol on it. But this is the makeup palette that I usually use for my wigs, and I'll use both the contour and the sculpt color. I just blew that right on me, didn't I? And for glue, I like to use boho glue. It's $30, so it's a lot, but I mean it's lasted me a decent amount of installs. So I just got my mirror because it's kind of hard getting close to this mirror and still being in the frame. I know for a fact it's not empty. I usually do like 2 or 3 coats, but since that one was like really thin, I'm gonna do 4. And I just take the blow dryer on cool and just blow dry it a little bit to speed up the drying process. So kid, just be yourself, don't try to be somebody, don't need nobody, did this all I own, we sing
extra. I'ma keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Not really boasting, they know that I'm chosen, that I'm chosen. Ain't worried about no haters on all that. I tell them to fall back. She hoeing, no call back, yeah. Can't wait to see their face when we pop out. I'm stressed, man. They got my friends boxed up. I heard they grind, but they not us. They not us. Shit, Flango, Lacko, Lego, when I'm trying to keep my block up. Yeah. I spend my life in it up and dope. They throwing my boys in the bucket though.
Okay, so I didn't talk through this part because I was really just trying to concentrate. It was already hard enough to try to stay in the frame while I was doing this and look at the small mirror that I had on the sink. But y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just placing the lace down on top of the glue, pressing it down, trying to make it look as melted as possible. It can obviously look way more melted. I think it's just the lace that I have. I don't know, or maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Who knows? Okay, so this was obviously supposed to be 2 colors on each side, but like, as you can see, it was some technical difficulties, but whatever. I really wish this top area was like jet black like the rest. It would have been cute. Well, I did like the watercolor to dye this, so I can't like go back. Well, I could if I was to take the wig off, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna see if my roommate feels like getting me some like some spray dye or something that I can just spray on top.
I can see $1 signs. It's a coupe, but the best to recline. When the roof all I see is the sky. Hard scratch one at a time.
Okay, so I use this heat protector. It's my roommate's, but yeah, this is the heat protector that I use. I figured out what I can do to like make this black, but I'm gonna straighten my hair first and then do it. I'm really just gonna be adding mascara. I thought I had like a black powder, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna just have to do mascara, and hopefully it turns out good. I really like the concept though, like seriously. Anyways, let me get to straightening this. I just pour some in my hand and then put it all throughout my hair. I don't like doing it piece by piece because if you put too much, it's gonna make your hair like stiff, and you don't want no stiff weaves, sis. I was hoping I was gonna be able to go outside and take some selfies, but the sun is going down now, so I guess that's a dead move. And I just like to comb each piece out before I go in with the flat iron. I don't even know if it's hot yet. I'm gonna do my baby hairs once I'm done straightening it.
off.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I'm happy with it. I love it. I do wish I didn't have to put mascara. Like, hopefully it don't like come off or whatever. It's not even on no more. But yeah, this is the final look. I haven't did my baby hairs yet. I really don't feel like it right now. I might just leave it like this until tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. And leave video suggestions in the comments, please, because I really need you guys, y'all help. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I really need y'all help coming up with video ideas and making videos that you guys would like to see. So yeah, leave video suggestions in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.